Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna presenting video presentation culminating activity humanities and social science. My student profile. Hello everyone. My name is Pondok Mary Vincent. I'm 18 years old and my date of birth is July 4, 2007 and from UMS 12I. Prepare career is seaman. Um, the purpose of portfolio is to compile and demonstrate my competence, professional experiences, and achievements if function as an essential resource from assessing my development and guiding my future academic and career paths. First sub is discipline and ideas in the applied social science. Description of the artifacts. The artifacts is about community program that prevent teenage pregnancy, which include an interview with a guidance counselor to provide information and guidance to teenager. Learning goals of the artifacts. The goals of the goals of these artifacts is to understand teenage pregnancy and learn how to make responsible decision. Reflected of the artifacts. I learned that proper information is important and that we should think first before acting. And next sub is introduction introduction to world religion and belief system. Description of the artifacts. This artifact this artifacts is a Venn diagram that show similarities and differences of Confucianism, Taoism, and Shintoism. It presents the main beliefs of each tradition. Learning goals reflected. The artifacts show that I learned how to compare different beliefs system in Asia using a Venn diagram. Reflected on the artifacts. In making these artifacts, I learned that even though these belief systems are different, they still share similarities. This activity helped me better understand the teaching of each belief. And next, Philippine politics and governance. Description of the artifacts. The artifacts is a label that show different setting and example of how power is used in each situation. Learning goals reflected. This activity helped me understand the different types of power and how they are used in daily life. Reflected of the artifacts. I learned that power can be sense of home, at work, with friends, and in the community. In helped me understand how people influence others. And next, community engagement, solidarity, and citizenship. Description of the artifacts. The artifacts show poster and image about helping stray animals, such as giving food and water, being kind, and encouraging adoption. Learning goals and learning goals reflection. Their goals is the their goals is this their goals is to develop empathy, responsibility, and awareness toward animals. welfare in the community. Reflection of the artifacts. This made me realize that being humane also means caring for animals and taking small action to help them. And next, creative nonfiction. Description of the artifacts. The artifacts is an essay about drama. It explains what drama is and main elements like dialogue, characters, plot, and conflict. Learning goals reflected. These artifacts show that understand that literary conversation of drama is help me identify the important part of the genre. Reflection of the artifacts. This activity helped me understand drama better. I learned how dialogue and conflict, how real life situation and lesson. Next, trends and critical thinking the 21st century culture. May artifacts pa yan. Description the artifacts. Description of the artifacts. This activity show my ideas about trends in society. I talk about how technology and social media are parts of people's daily lives. Learning goals reflected. I was able to understand how trends start and why they matter in society. Reflected reflection of the artifacts. While doing this, I realized how much technology affects why me thinks and act every day. Next, discipline and ideas in the social sciences. Description of the artifacts. The artifacts is a handwritten note about political ideas and their differences. And my learning goals of the artifacts is to understand the meaning of political, philosophical, and political economical concept. And my reflection of the artifacts is I learn more about politicals and understand the topic better. And next, creative writing. Description of the artifacts. It showed a mother helping her child answer learn modules on the side of the road. road. Learning goals of the artifacts. I show the importance of parental support in learning. Reflected of the artifacts is I learned that perseverance and love are important in education. And me, after 10 years is 10 years from now, I see myself as a desi- dedicated and successful seaman with a stable career. I am able to give my family a comfortable and secure life through my hard work. We have your own home and we live peacefully and happily together. I continue to grow in my profession and I'm for a position or the ship even working at sea. Challenging is remain strong and motivate. I always for my family first, no matter how far I am. Most of all, I am proud of the person I have become and the life about a bold, boiled for my loved ones. Quiz time is 1. How old the student? A. 16 years old, B. 17 years old, C. 18 years old. 2. What is the student date of birth? A. July 4, 2007, B. July 4, 2006, C. July 4, 2007. And 3. What is the student strand and section? A. ABM 12A, B. STEM 12B, C. HUMS 12I. For what is the student prefer career? A. Teacher, A. Teacher, B. Engineer, C. Seaman. And 5. In which month was the student born? A. June, B. July, C. August. Yun lamang.